He's trying to make me feel guilty. He said that bird was having the worst day of his life, and I'm down here having fun. He said she's screaming her lungs out, and I'm down here having a blast.
She's having the worst day of her life.
I got it zoomed as far in as, or far whatever, and out. No, I got it zoomed in as far as I can. Make sure there ain't no cats up there. Or up there. Where's that down tree?
Huh?
Where's that tree that the Sasquatch was on?
There, but it's, you gotta look up. And I see it. I'm sure. You go down, look to the kind of the left. You see where you're at. You'll see it.
Oh, now I do. That tree, I don't know, right up, let's see, right up there is a leaning tree, and I have gotten a Sasquatch on that, which I already posted it in another video, so. Okay.
Okay, but after walking back here,
Look at that tree bird.
2 weeks in a row, I've came to the conclusion I really do like cheeseburgers.
Look at that. That's a wolf. See the pad?
Look at me.
No.
I'm a snake.
Well, I know that. That's a given.
I'm a snake in the forest.
You're not a snake.
I'm sitting here all broken-hearted.
I don't.
I tried to.
No. No. He's gonna do that. Sitting here all broken-hearted. Tried to whatever. Instead. Blah, blah, blah. I know. I was just giving you some. Ooh. You guys see that? Can you see that print? See, here's my foot. Right by it. See the toes? Can you see them? It's crazy. There's a footprint up here. Well, here's one too. Can you guys see that? Let's do this. I don't know. There's 2 footprints up here. 3 if you count this one, you guys. See? One there. See the toes?
That's a good one there.
And there's one here. You just can't really see it. But do you see the big toe over there?
And there's one there.
Yep.
Look down.
I know I see it.
I I think it's a one-eyed, one-horned, flying purple peep blue.
Right there, guys.
I guess I'll be back here tomorrow mowing, it looks like.
Great. Well, good thing I turned my camera, because I know what I'm going to get today. When I go down and look at my SD.
Oh, it's hard to tell.
No, it's not. No, but it's not going to be a surprise at all. I can't do what it's doing. Okay.
I think that's more of a mating call.
Oh.
The other one was like, ah!
I think I'll pass then.
The other one was like, ah!
Poor bird. Oh, stop it. Fly. Look at all the berries on this tree that's going to be there. It's not a tree, but yeah.
They're already starting to flower already, so won't be long on these.
I don't know, guys. Oh, okay. I'm at 8 minutes. Got to start over, guys.